Hi there, welcomes to my classroom, and in this session I would like to tell you about how to install WordPress theme into WordPress software. In previous lesson we installed WordPress software in local server by using XAMPP. To install our WordPress theme, what we need to do is first we need to start our server. I installed XAMPP server into my system, so I would like to start my Apache server and I would like to start my SQL database. So what is happening is it has been started. See here, you can see if I type on this localhost, then you can able to see whatever files I installed into my root folder in htdocs folder. So just click on this one and just click backslash. There I would like to type as WordPress file. So this is the folder, WordPress folder. You can find this default template is there, default WordPress theme is there. So let me see the path where this theme has been installed. Just open my computer. There you can see C drive. Come to XAMPP server. We install our software at htdocs folder. This is our WordPress software. So we type this name like this, localhost and WordPress. Okay, so this theme has been installed, the default theme. We will find out that theme link also. Come to WordPress. There you can see WordPress content is there. In this content, whatever themes would you like to install in your local server, those files may save into this folder only. Click on this one. This is 2019, 2017, 2020 files are there. Okay, this is the path. Whatever we are seeing in C drive, we install XAMPP server. There we will find htdocs folder. We need to install our WordPress software into htdocs folder only. After that, in WordPress folder we will find WordPress content folder will be there. We will find this themes folder. In those themes only we can install our themes. If you want to install your plugins, come into WordPress content. There you can see plugin section is there. So whatever plugins or whatever themes would you like to install in your WordPress, you need to use both of these folders only. So let me start how we can install our theme into our WordPress software. Click on this browser, just log into our browser so that you will redirect into admin panel. Just click on that wp #admin admin. So then what is happening is you will redirect into login page. So there you need to provide login details. So I already provided some login details. My browser has been saved those details, and I would like to click on this login button. Then it redirects into WordPress dashboard. By using WordPress dashboard, I would like to install my theme, free theme. So let me see, this is the dashboard. Here you can see top menu is there explaining some having some functionality, and left side menu is there. These are all having about some functionalities, and each menu is having sub menus also. So this is the total dashboard. If you want to click on this dashboard, what is happening is it shows entire information, the version of the WordPress, and some tips, and how many pages you had, and how many posts you created, and how many comments you received for your post. All those information and activity, whatever comments you may receive from that post, it will be show from here only. So if you get any events regarding WordPress news, so then you will get that news into in this section. So this is the dashboard. So if you want to update, or if you get any updated feature for your theme plugin or for your WordPress software, all these things will available in this update function. See, we need to update 5 more plugins or themes. So see, you can see those results like this. By default, we already find out these details in our repository. Whatever WordPress content themes had some default themes are there. 2019, 17, 20, all these themes 2019, 2017, 2020 themes might be update. We need to update them. So update menu shows about the update functionalities. Whatever plugin and themes we need to update all those information will be available from here. So let me install our WordPress theme by using appearance. Whatever theme functionality would you like to modify or create, or insert the themes, all those things will be all those settings will be available, functions will be available in this menu, appearance menu. So if you want to create a theme, if you want to insert themes, you need to use appearance themes. So if you want to customize the theme, what you need to do is come to appearance and select theme. If you want to edit the widgets area, if you want to create menus, if you want to adjust some background or theme edition, what you need to do is you need to use these options. Then you can easily create your WordPress theme customization. So coming to appearance and themes, click on these themes. What is happening is, see, these are the default themes. This name is having active theme has been 2020, and we couldn't activate this theme. Name is 2019. So here you can see, if we activated the theme, it seems to be active theme name. If we couldn't activated the themes, and then it shows like this, active. If you want to see, you can see live preview. And even though if you put your cursor over, then it seems to be it shows the result like this. If you want to activate this theme, you can click this active button, then this theme will be activated. And after that, if you, this is the totally dashboard pattern. If you want to see the output of your website, what you need to do, just click your website name and select the visit website, right click and open in new tab. Then what is happening is front end website will be come like this. Okay, so this is the front end website. Even though if you log into your dashboard, then in front end website also you can able to see the top menu. Here also you can modify your website by using these options. If you want to create any post pages or media, any users, you can use from here also. If you want to customize this page, by clicking on these customization settings, you can easily modify this page also. And see, if you want to redirect into themes or widgets or menus or any other dashboard settings, by using this menu also you can easily redirect into these settings. So let me come into the appearance themes section. We will install the new theme. By I would like to delete some themes, so because these themes may take some loading time, they may take some size issues, so that I would like to delete these themes. Then what I will do is just click on this theme details. You will find out like this. You will see one image is there and having some description about this theme, and having some tags also be there. This is the main pattern. This is the theme name and having some version developed by so and so company. So I would like to delete this one. Here in right side below corner you can find out the delete option. If you click on that, it will confirms. Click OK. Then what is happening is the theme has been deleted. Now we can able to see only 2 themes is there. Once again, I would like to delete this theme also. So then click on that one and click delete option, confirm, then it will be deleted. Now we can able to see only 1 theme in our appearance theme repository. Now I would like to install my theme. So just click on this add new. then what is happening is you can find out the our themes repository. This is link with this themes section, link with the wordpress.org. So that's why these are all themes has been came into our repository. So if you want to upload manually, then you can upload theme by add themes option using upload theme. If you want to search theme, then what you need to do is just click on this. For this class I would like to explain about optimizer free theme. So I click that optimizer, then I find this one. So we couldn't install this one, just we search for this theme only, we search for this theme, and here you can see it seems to be like this. Here if you put cursor like this, it will show some details. So if you want to install this one, what you need to do is just install, or else if you want to see the preview of the theme, you can click this preview. Just click on installation button. What is happening is just this theme is installing into WordPress only. This theme is installing into WordPress theme only. Okay, so it is installing in WordPress only. So now the theme has been installed into WordPress software. Just come into front end page, just refresh by clicking on F5. Then you can see you couldn't see any modification. Just come and activate. We install the software into WordPress, we install this theme into WordPress. Just activate this one. What is happening is now it will be activated. See, previous theme is 2020, we activated this one. Whenever we install and activated, then this theme come into second position and the activated theme has been took first position. Just come into front end page, just refresh this one. What is happening is you can able to see the result. This is the page, whatever, this is the theme whatever we installed and activated. Now we install WordPress theme. Okay, so this is the process to install the WordPress theme into WordPress software. Keep follow my class. In upcoming classes you will get much more interesting topics. Thank you for watching.